Hi there and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up invoices in the PMS application. Once this setup is complete, invoices will be automatically generated after a guest checks out from your hotel. Let's get started. First, log into the PMS. Next, head over to the Settings section. From there, click on Front Office Setup. On the next page, go to Invoice Setup. Here, you'll need to fill in a few important details. Start by uploading your logo, then enter your header and footer text. Add your invoicing details such as invoice prefix, GSTIN, place of supply, phone number, and email ID. Once everything's filled in, click Save to apply the changes. You can also click on Preview to see how your invoice will look. And that's it. That's how you can set up invoice generation in PMS for your property. If you have any questions, or if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our tutorials in the description below for more tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.